Hey, what's up out there, my friends in the internet land? This is Jay Brown, the Bulldog Marketer, and it's
45.
12:42 a.m.
Mhm.
in the morning, and I was at home, and I saw
What's
my
up, guys?
my business partner Sal's Facebook Live, and he was doing a Facebook Live, and he was at the office, and I'm like, what the hell is he doing at the office? I jumped up. I was working at home in my underwear, like usual. I
Of course.
grabbed my laptop and I was like, "All right, I'm going to the office," and I'm here to share with you the results of his one of his live account with our AI Forex
Trading.
trading bot. Um, and where you could find out more information about that trading bot at the link below, or leave a comment or leave a message. Let's take a look at explain what you got going on
Okay.
here, Sal.
So you might not be able to see, but these are the results of today. What's interesting about them is, of course, most of them are profit, but as you can see, there's two losses, and the losses are actually the most exciting part because the losses are what tends to crush the traders that end up blowing their account because of unmanaged losses. So a lot of wins, these two losses. What this AI software does is that it will take the losses and do a hedge trade as soon as it detects that it's going in the wrong direction. What
Now,
that
now, real quick,
Mhm.
for people that aren't familiar with trading, what's a hedge trade?
Good question. It's like a counter. It's something to counterbalance the loss of the trade. It can be in the same direction or it can be in the opposing direction, but it's meant to reduce the loss, possibly bring that to zero, or in profit. In this case, the loss was for $104, the top one, $104, and then the recovery was about $88. So it made that $100 loss just a about $26 loss, or actually less than that, about $16 loss. And then over here we have a $79 loss that was hedged by a $82 gain, which again brings that not only back to zero but in profit. And of course, you get to keep all the wins as well. So you get to keep the wins and it mitigates the losses. That's the power of this, is that hedging element. It's,
Oh, it delayed. All right, sorry about that. Had some technical difficulties.
Mhm.
Ran out of space on my phone, so I had to delete some videos. So I want to get back to his real time
Yeah.
results.
And just so you know, it's trading right now in the markets, and you click here, you go to the histories. So as I was showing,
Wait, go back to that live.
yeah, right now it's 40 right there.
You see the numbers are changing there,
Yeah.
the profits and the loss. So and those are real numbers, live account, and these aren't screenshots. So let's wait for the number to change again. So
There it is. There it is.
there you go.
There you go. Okay. So as you guys can see, but what's most important is what we covered last time. The losses are hedged, maybe in the same direction, maybe against the direction, to reduce the losses, to completely get back to neutral or go above and beyond that. So the first loss was in the amount of $104. The hedge trade, which the hedge trade for that was 80, so $104 loss, $88 hedge, so meaning that overall it's 210, about $16 net loss, which is much better than 104. And then over here the other loss is $79, and as you can see it has a actual hedge of $82. You know it's a hedge because they close out at the exact same price point. The take profit is exactly the same as you see right there. The take profit is exactly the same. So that's the power of this algorithmic trading software.
Now, that money, is that in your account or is it in that company's account?
No, it's my account. That is
That's
my account. Yeah.
your Forex
Exactly.
brokerage.
Exactly. So the thing is, the results are nice, but of course, seeing the results on your own account is extremely empowering. And now it validates for you. What I really love telling people is that regardless of your background, your understanding about the forex market, this does not take any of those into consideration. It's just algorithms. So anybody can do this.
One of the biggest things is that you have total control. You're not putting your money into somebody else's hands.
Liquid at all times. Should you want to pause the tradings and you want to take everything out? By the way, this is not mirror trading, master trading. It's not a PAM. Everyone gets different trades. It's both on the MT4, MT5, and coming out with MT4 as well. So it's going to be, you can use any broker that you have that meets two qualifications. One, it has to be able to support MT5 right now because we're about to also open up MT4. So that's going to go away very soon. But the other one is that it has to have hedging. If it has hedging and then MT4, MT5, then you're completely good.
Now we'll have some suggestions in the comments or the description below, or when you join the team, we'll give you a whole outline of brokers for you to use if you don't already have a broker. Um, Now this product is great for newbies, especially newbies.
I will share this with you. It's also great for expert traders because one.
I was getting to that.
Yeah, did you hear about what happened to Chris, the one of the guys that was here for the presentation?
No.
So by the way, over here, as you can see, we do presentations to share this, and so I'm gonna give you a tour. It's not a small thing that we're doing from our bedrooms. We're putting together events and bigger and bigger stuff. So this is every week we have presentations here. But one of the gentlemen, his name is Chris, who got a chance to try it out. He's a trader himself, so he had this Benjamin running on the background, and he had still executed trades. His trades were actually going down or in the wrong direction. Benjamin, this AI software, triggered trades to actually get him out of the losses. So very, very powerful. You definitely want to take a deeper look. So whether you're an expert or a beginner, it works because as a beginner, you don't have to learn anything. As an expert, this can have your back as you begin to trade by yourself as well.
Exactly. Like I've been on and off in the Forex trading space for about I would say a steady 4 years, but even like 10 years ago, I had like 50,000 in Forex. But the problem with that 10 years ago was I didn't have control of that $50,000. I gave it to a company, and I was getting great returns every month. I was getting about 20,000 percent. I mean, I was getting 20% per month.
Like 10K.
I was getting about 10K per month, and I wound up making my money back. But then when I invested more money, the the company wound up getting closed down, and I lost my money. So with this, you have control of your money, your trades. You could have control of the lot size, and if you want more information, I'll send you the video so you can get the all the details, specific details, about everything that this software does and how you'll be able to control it and make sure that your investment is safe. And you could start off with $100, $500, $1,000.
Or a demo account.
Or a demo account, yes. And you just have to control the lot size and keep set the settings that we recommend. So, any questions? Send a DM, message, comment. See you on the other side.
Yeah, with Bulldog.